Eureka, Grade 2, Module 2, Lesson 4. Measure various objects using centimeter rulers and meter sticks. Welcome back, boys and girls. We have been working on measurement and measuring the length of different objects. You may recall that we have been using our 1-inch cubes. We even used our 1-inch cube to create an inch ruler yesterday. This was a great measurement tool that we could use to measure our objects quickly. Today I want to introduce you to another unit of measurement that we can use. Here you see I'm holding my teal 1-inch cube. It's large. In the other hand, you will notice that I am holding a small blue centimeter cube. This cube is smaller. Its measurement is much smaller as well, right? So it is called a centimeter cube. This is my 1-inch cube. This is my centimeter cube. It is much smaller than my 1-inch cube. It also is part of a measurement system we call the metric system. We're going to use our centimeter cube today to do some measuring. This is the length. We want to measure the length of this pencil. Here it is. We're going to use centimeter cubes to measure the length of the pencil, not inch cubes today. Instead, centimeter cubes. We take our centimeter cubes and we line them up the length of the pencil. It's important to remember we don't want any overlapping. Our cubes should not lay on top of one another. That would not give us an accurate or true measurement. Make sure they're laying side by side. Also, we want to make sure we line up our endpoints. Now, we have done both of those things. We can count our centimeter cubes to see how long our pencil is in centimeters. Here we go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We can say that our pencil is 19 centimeters long. We use centimeters because we're measuring with, that's right, centimeter cubes. It's a different length of measurement. So 19 centimeters long. That's a long pencil. Let's go to the next slide. Here I have a long piece of white rectangular paper like I had yesterday when I made my inch ruler. However, today we're going to use our centimeter cubes to make a different kind of tool. We'll still need our pencil and we'll still need our centimeter cube. Remember, we lay our centimeter cube down first, and then we take the pencil and draw a line. Then we move our centimeter cube. You'll recall doing this yesterday with inches. Today we're going to make this long centimeter ruler. I went ahead and marked it all out for us. Now we have what we can call a centimeter ruler. It's going to measure lengths in centimeters. Our centimeter ruler is 30 centimeters long. It starts down here and ends at 30 centimeters. Let's take a look at this paper clip. If I lined up the paper clip with the end of the centimeter ruler, I can look to see how long the paper clip is. You may notice it is 8 centimeters long. We would say the paper clip is 8 centimeters long. We know this because we lined it up with the end of our centimeter ruler and we looked for where it ended, and it ends right here at the 8 centimeter mark. Let's try another one. Here's a marker. I line up the end with the end of my centimeter ruler and I look to see where it ends. Well, it's not quite to 21, but it's definitely over 20. Do you remember that word we can use if something is not exact? Did you say about? You're right. We would say the marker is about 21 centimeters long. Not quite, but it's close. This centimeter ruler is awesome. It's a great tool for measuring small items. Here's a picture of a real centimeter ruler. You can see that there are 30 centimeters on this ruler as well. We are able to put 30 small centimeter cubes up on this ruler, and it would take 30 of them. This is great for measuring small items like our paperclip or our marker. But what if I want to measure the length of my car? I think we should explore this concept. Here's my car. I want to try to measure it. But thinking about measuring the length of my car in centimeter cubes seems a little overwhelming. I'm going to try it out and see what happens. Here we go. Here's my centimeter cube clear down here. Do you see it next to my car? It's so small it's hard to see. That is 1 centimeter cube. Here's a closer look at that little tiny centimeter cube next to the tire of my car. Whoa! That will take a lot of centimeter cubes to measure the length of my car using tiny centimeter cubes. I wonder what else we could use that we have created. What do you think? Did you say our centimeter ruler? I was just thinking the same thing. Good thinking. Let's take our centimeter ruler and let's try measuring the length of the car using the centimeter ruler. Now remember, our centimeter ruler was created using 30 of our small centimeter cubes drawn out on our long white piece of paper. This picture right here shows you another centimeter ruler that is pink, but it's still the same length. It goes all the way to 30 centimeters. Here we go. I went and sat down my centimeter ruler by my car, and I'm looking. I can tell that it's much larger than just one individual centimeter cube, but it will still take some time to measure the whole length of my car because it's going to take a lot of those centimeter rulers to get the entire length. I wonder if there's anything else we could use. We've tried our centimeter cubes and we've tried our centimeter ruler. I have an idea! A meter stick. This is a meter stick. A meter stick is 100 centimeters long. I'm going to say that again. A meter stick is 100 centimeters long. That's amazing. I want you to say it with me. Ready? A meter stick is 100 centimeters long. We could use a meter stick to measure the length of my car. Let's look at a meter stick compared to our centimeter cube and our centimeter ruler. Up here in the corner, you'll see our little white centimeter cube. It's sitting right next to our long meter stick. And down at the bottom in pink, you'll see our centimeter ruler. You'll notice that our centimeter cube is the shortest. It's only 1 centimeter. Our centimeter ruler comes in the middle of the pack. It was 30 centimeters long. But our meter stick is the longest of all. It is 100 centimeters long. 1 meter stick would be the same as 100 centimeter cubes. It would take 100 of these little cubes to make the same length as this meter stick. It would also take 3 of our centimeter rulers to make 1 of our meter sticks, and that still wouldn't equal the length of our meter stick. So let's go ahead and try and see if we can measure the length of my car with our meter stick. There it is. You can definitely see it in the picture. It's much longer than both the centimeter cube and the centimeter ruler. Wow! Measuring a car with a meter stick will be much faster than using the centimeter cube and much faster than using the centimeter ruler. All right, so I did it. I measured my car and my car was about 4 meter sticks long. Remember, we can use the word about if it's not quite exact. We can say that it was about 4 meter sticks long, or another way we can say that is my car was about 4 meters long. 1 meter stick represents 1 meter. So my car was about 4 meters long. That means that my car is over 12 centimeter rulers long and over 400 centimeter cubes long. It would have taken us 12 centimeter rulers to measure the length of my car, and it would have taken us 400 centimeter cubes to measure the length. It's a good thing we found a meter stick. So here it is again, our centimeter cube, our meter stick, and our centimeter ruler. Remember, each of these measurement tools can be important and useful at different times. If something is small or short, measure in centimeters. If something is large or long, measure in meters. So today on Seesaw, you're going to have a chance to decide what items around your house you would measure in centimeters and what items around your house you would measure in meters. If something is small or short, you will want to measure it in centimeters. You'll just use our centimeter ruler. If something is large or long, make sure that you're measuring it in meters. It will be much faster. Head back to Seesaw and let's see if you know when to use centimeters or meters. Good luck!